Fuel injector cleaners promise smoother driving, better mileage, and longer engine life. But most drivers never realize the truth until it's too late. Some of these bottles don't clean anything at all. Others quietly damage injectors, sensors, and even pistons while draining your wallet. The real danger isn't using no cleaner, it's using the wrong one. Today, we're exposing 7 fuel injector cleaners you should never use, and 3 that actually work. This isn't marketing hype. This is based on chemistry, real engine failures, and what mechanics see every day. Let's start with number 7, the cheapest and most misleading of them all. Number 7, kerosene-based cleaners. Ever open a cheap fuel injector cleaner and notice it smells like kerosene? That's because many low-budget cleaners actually use kerosene as the main ingredient. It's cheap, blends easily with fuel, and technically counts as a solvent. But here's the problem. Kerosene is too weak to remove real carbon buildup inside injectors. Once diluted in a full tank, it does almost nothing. Worse, it lowers fuel octane, increasing the risk of engine knock. Over time, that knocking can damage pistons, valves, and bearings, turning a cheap fix into a 5-figure repair. Number 6, ethanol-based cleaners. Ethanol-based injector cleaners sound logical because most gasoline already contains ethanol, but adding more is where serious problems begin. Ethanol is highly hygroscopic, meaning it pulls moisture from the air straight into your fuel system. That water leads to corrosion in fuel lines, injectors, and tanks. Even worse, ethanol contains oxygen, which causes engines to run lean. Lean combustion raises temperatures, increases knocking, and accelerates internal wear. Older vehicles are especially vulnerable because seals and hoses weren't designed for high ethanol exposure. Instead of cleaning injectors, these products often create misfires, hard starts, and expensive fuel system repairs. Number 5, Abro fuel injector cleaner. Abro may be a familiar name, but recognition doesn't equal reliability. This cleaner relies on heavy petroleum solvents rather than proven injector detergents. Its primary component behaves more like diesel fuel than a true gasoline cleaner. Instead of dissolving carbon, it often breaks deposits into loose fragments. Those particles can clog injectors, overload fuel filters, and create uneven fuel delivery. Drivers may feel a short-term improvement, but it rarely lasts. Fuel economy doesn't improve, and performance often becomes inconsistent. In the long run, Abro risks moving carbon around the system instead of removing it, creating more problems than it solves. Number 4, Marvel Mystery Oil as a primary cleaner. Marvel Mystery Oil has a long history and a loyal following, but it's often misunderstood. While it can smooth engine operation, it was never designed to be a true fuel injector cleaner. Its real strength is lubrication, not carbon removal. Marvel coats components to reduce friction and wear, which helps prevent future buildup. But if injectors are already clogged, lubrication alone won't fix the problem. Carbon deposits need to be chemically dissolved, not softened. Using Marvel as a cleaner can delay real maintenance, allowing deposits to grow worse over time. It's a preventative additive, not a solution for dirty injectors. Number 3, Seafoam for heavy-duty cleaning. Seafoam has been trusted for decades, but trust doesn't always mean effectiveness. While it works well as a general fuel stabilizer and light cleaner, it struggles with modern fuel injector deposits. Seafoam does not contain PEA, the detergent proven to dissolve hardened carbon. Instead, it relies on petroleum distillates and alcohol to loosen debris. That debris often breaks free without fully dissolving, allowing it to move through the system and clog injectors or filters. It's safe for engines, but for serious injector cleaning, it simply isn't strong enough to deliver consistent, lasting results. Number 2, Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. Cataclean is powerful, but power without control can be dangerous. Its formula uses aggressive solvents designed to strip varnish and carbon quickly. The problem is how it does it. Instead of dissolving deposits, Cataclean often knocks large chunks loose. Those particles can foul spark plugs, damage oxygen sensors, and overwhelm catalytic converters. Check engine lights after use are not uncommon. While Cataclean can help prevent buildup in clean engines, it's risky for vehicles with existing deposits. Used incorrectly, it can turn a minor performance issue into expensive exhaust and sensor repairs. Number 1. Alcohol-heavy fuel injector cleaners. Alcohol-heavy cleaners are often marketed as quick fixes, but they cause long-term damage. Isopropyl alcohol absorbs water and strips light deposits, but it cannot break down stubborn carbon. Instead, it dries out seals, O-rings, and plastic components inside the fuel system. Over time, this leads to leaks and injector failure. Alcohol also leans out the air-fuel mixture, increasing combustion temperatures and engine knock. When deposits are loosened instead of dissolved, they often clog injectors rather than clean them. These cleaners don't solve problems. They quietly create them. The cleaners that actually work. Now that the dangerous and ineffective options are off the table, it's time to focus on what actually works. Real fuel injector cleaning isn't about strong smells or aggressive solvents. It's about chemistry that dissolves carbon completely instead of breaking it loose. The cleaners that deliver real results all share one key ingredient, PEA, a detergent proven to remove hardened deposits safely. These products don't lean out fuel mixtures, damage seals, or clog exhaust components. They clean injectors the right way, restoring spray patterns, improving combustion, and protecting engine components long-term. Let's start with the most trusted option for everyday use. Number 3. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is one of the most reliable injector cleaners ever made. Its strength comes from PEA, a detergent specifically designed to dissolve carbon deposits instead of pushing them through the system. That means clogged injectors are cleaned safely, not partially cleared. Techron works across the entire fuel system, from injectors to intake valves and combustion chambers. It's effective on both older and modern gasoline engines and safe for regular use. Drivers often notice smoother acceleration, restored power, and improved fuel economy. When used at proper intervals, Techron prevents buildup before it becomes a serious engine problem. Number 2. BG44 K Fuel System Cleaner. BG44K is the cleaner professional mechanics reach for when buildup is severe. Its formula contains a high concentration of PEA, allowing it to break down heavy carbon deposits that weaker cleaners can't touch. Instead of loosening debris, BG44K dissolves it completely and flushes it safely through the system. This deep cleaning restores injector spray patterns, smooths rough idles, and recovers lost performance. One treatment continues working for thousands of miles, making it more than a short-term fix. While it costs more than most cleaners, its effectiveness makes it a true reset for neglected fuel systems. Number 1. Royal Purple Max Clean. Royal Purple Max Clean stands out because it combines deep cleaning with long-term protection. Like the others that work, it uses PEA to dissolve carbon deposits inside injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. But it also improves fuel stability and combustion quality. Drivers often notice smoother throttle response, restored horsepower, and better fuel economy after a single treatment. Max Clean continues cleaning and protecting for thousands of miles, reducing future buildup. It's designed for modern engines but remains safe for older vehicles when used correctly. For drivers who want both cleaning and performance benefits, this is the most complete option available. Fuel injector cleaners aren't all created equal. Some quietly damage engines while giving the illusion of improvement. Others rely on proven chemistry to restore performance and protect critical components. Knowing the difference can save thousands in repairs and extend engine life significantly. The safest choice isn't the cheapest bottle or the strongest smell. It's the cleaner that actually dissolves carbon instead of moving it around. Now you know which products to avoid and which ones deliver real results. The next time you're standing in the auto parts aisle, you'll know exactly what belongs in your tank and what doesn't.